Dear student, we will continue with the female reproductive system part 3, and we were discussing maturation of oocyte. So before that, you need to understand what is menstrual cycle. Now this cycle is associated with maturation of oocyte to ovum per month. It takes place in human female at the onset of puberty, that is 10 to 14 years of age, till menopause 50 to 52 years of age. Ovaries produce one mature egg every month. The menstrual cycle consists of period of 28 days. During pregnancy and lactation, there is no menstrual cycle taking place. Menstrual cycle is controlled by various hormones called female sex hormones. So just briefly, this cycle consists of 4 phases: menstrual phase, follicular phase, ovulatory phase, and luteal phase. Follicular phase is also known as proliferative phase, pre-ovulatory phase, and post-menstrual phase. Whereas luteal phase is also known as progestational phase, premenstrual secretory phase, post-ovulatory phase. Now, if you look at the duration of luteal phase is more, which is as compared to the other. Ovulatory phase, the minimum duration. So first 5 days, that is 1 to 5 days, is the menstrual phase. Then 6 to 13th days comes under the follicular phase. 14th days the ovulatory phase, and 15th to 28th day is the luteal phase. We'll be discussing the phases of menstruation in detail. Now, menstruation is the normal venereal bleeding that occurs as a monthly cycle in females. So phases are there. We have already discussed number of days. Now we will see what is the role of hormones and what kind of events are taking place. So follicular phase, the follicle cell increase in number, and finally Graafian follicle is formed from the primary follicle. Here follicular stimulating hormone, that is FSH, is secreted from pituitary, which act on ovary, and estrogen is secreted by ovary. So once the FSH, it initiates the formation of estrogen. The uterine endometrium thicken as it prepares itself for implantation. During ovulation, there is release of ovum from Graafian follicle, which is received by fallopian tube. Now level of LH, that is luteinizing hormone, increases, which is called LH surge, and this actually causes contraction of a smooth muscle around the Graafian follicle, which result in the ovulation. And during ovulation, the Graafian follicle rupture and releases the ovum. In later stages, the Graafian follicle changes to corpus luteum. In the luteal phase, ruptured follicle closes after releasing the egg and form the corpus luteum. Here the hormone progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum, whereas LH and FSH level decreases. And then the menstrual phase, the unfertilized ovum with ruptured uterine epithelium, blood capillaries is discharged out of the body. The progesterone level decreases because here there is no fertilization which is occurring, that's why it is released. The uterine thickness is failed to be maintained. So again, after menstrual phase comes the follicular phase. So this is what is the menstrual cycle. We'll also understand what is the role of female sex hormone. The master gland is pituitary gland, but hypothalamus is controlling the master gland. It secretes gonadotropin releasing hormone, which act on anterior pituitary, and anterior pituitary secrete tropic hormones, which are FSH and LH. They act on the ovary, and ovary further secrete 3 hormones: progesterone, relaxin, and estrogen. So progesterone, it is secreted by corpus luteum when ovum is released in the body. It prepares the body for pregnancy by causing thickening of uterine wall. It prevents uterine contraction that may disturb the growing embryo. It also prepares the breast for lactation. Estrogen which is produced by follicle cells in the ovaries, involved in development of secondary sex characters in female. During pregnancy, it prevents further maturation of egg, increase the estrogen near the end of pregnancy, alert the pituitary gland to release the oxytocin, and oxytocin causes the uterine contraction. Estrogen level falls during menopause, which marks the end of fertility. Together, estrogen and progesterone promote the development of female sex character during puberty. Now, relaxin, which is produced by ovary and placenta, it relaxes the muscle of pelvic region and uterine muscles and causes labor pains before the birth of young one. So right now till here we finish with the female reproductive system. Thank you.